Welcome back to Auto World, where we bring you the future of driving, today. And in today's video, we're talking about a game changer. The 2025 Tesla semi-truck, a powerful electric beast making headlines not just for its performance, but also for hiring over 1,000 new workers to build the future of freight. Tesla is revolutionizing the trucking industry, and the 2025 Tesla Semi is leading the charge. With a payload capacity of 1,000 miles on a single charge, the Tesla Semi isn't just efficient, it's rewriting the rulebook on what trucks can do. And to meet the massive demand, Tesla has hired over 1,000 new employees at its manufacturing hubs, including the Giga factory in Nevada and Texas, creating high-tech jobs and supercharging production. These jobs aren't your average assembly line gigs. Tesla is offering roles in engineering, robotics, AI logistics, battery tech, and more. It's part of Elon Musk's bold vision to make clean energy and autonomous transport the new normal. The world is watching, from the highways of the USA and Europe to the ports of China and India. Logistics giants and small businesses alike are lining up to go electric. The demand is real. The future is now. And the 2025 Tesla Semi is at the center of this revolution. Here's why the 2025 Tesla Semi is such a big deal. Up to 1,000-mile range zero-emissions autopilot safety systems. Massive torque and power, lower operating cost over time. Tesla's not just building trucks, it's building an ecosystem of clean transport, smart logistics, and energy innovation. And with over 1,000 new team members joining the ride, it's only getting faster. So, what do you think about the 2025 Tesla Semi and Tesla's bold hiring move? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in auto innovation, only here on Auto World. Until next time, drive smart, stay charged, and keep watching Auto World.